If you go into Content Lab, as you see here, you pick the video that you want to edit or the clip that you want to edit. You'll see this little option on the top right that says AI Edits. So when you click into this, it automatically gives you a couple of recommendations. So from a recipe list. So this one is already picked up that I'm walking through a product demo or walkthrough or talking about a product. So it smartly has recommended a product demo recipe. But there's a couple other ones because it's just me speaking versus having multiple speakers. It's also giving me a couple of monologue type of recipes. There is this option to look through a whole slew of recipes that may make sense for you. So we've pre-built these to make it much quicker for you to get the editing done. So please do take a look at those. Use those if it makes sense. We also have a list of like different types of edits that you can make. If you click on these, it will start adding a prompt here, as well as this whole section is for you to add a custom prompt if you want. If you want to write out the instructions like, hey, I want this to be engaging. I want you to grab attention with a call out in the first 3 seconds. I want you to add a B-roll about on this at this time. You can give as much detailed instructions as you want. For now, for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to click the product demo recipe. And here we go. All right. So this, what you see now, is a video that I previously ran the Agentic editor on. It's the same video, the same clip that you saw earlier. This is just the AI edited version. I'll play like the first 5-10 seconds of this. Still stuck in the editor's queue? Let AI handle the polish. Zoom, scene changes, B-rolls, dynamic caption, branded bumpers, so that you can publish today, not weeks from now. Start. All right. Okay. Let me play a little bit more of it then. Here we go. I'll keep it playing. Starting Goldcast by picking your webinar, interview, or recording clip, then click the AI edits option on the right panel. You get access to suggested prompts, quick actions, and ready-made recipes. Either choose a recipe or type in your own instructions. For example, zoom in at 42 seconds, add a call. All right, so I'll stop there. And I want to now show you the process of like what happens after you've run the Agentic video editor and you're going to make some adjustments. So first thing, you can go into this timeline view and actually remove or edit anything that the AI editor has done. So that B-roll of that woman kind of looking at that photo, it doesn't really make sense. So I could either go and delete it from here, or I can go back in the Agentic editor AI edits panel, and I can give it instructions saying, hey, around the 20-second mark, you have the B-roll of the woman touching her laptop. Can you change it to this? And you actually give it those instructions, and it will make those adjustments for you. Or, hey, can you zoom in at this point? Can you add a call out at this point? You can, again, use the Agentic editor as someone to bounce and sound your feedback off of, and it will make those changes for you and go through that same process of thinking and doing the edits in the background.